Hello and a very warm welcome to MG-NutriVita. In an increasingly fast-paced world where demands are constant and time seems to slip through our fingers, it's easy to feel disconnected from yourself. Have you ever felt low on energy, with a scattered mind, or with the sensation that something essential is missing to live fully? This quest for more vitality, more clarity, and more purpose is universal. We are not alone on this journey. All of us, at some point, wish to awaken that inner energy that propels us, that makes us feel alive and connected. But what does it truly mean to have awakened inner vitality? It's not merely the absence of illness. It's a harmonious symphony between your mind, your body, and the totality of your life. It's feeling energized upon waking, having clarity to make decisions, resilience to face challenges, and joy to savor every moment. It's about living with passion and purpose. At MG-NutriVita, we believe that this vitality is not a luxury, but a right. And we are here to guide you on this journey of rediscovery. Our first fundamental pillar is the mind. Our minds are the epicenter of our thoughts, emotions, and perceptions. A turbulent mind can drain our energy, while a clear and focused mind can be the source of limitless creativity and profound peace. How many times do we find ourselves trapped in cycles of worry, anxiety, or information overload? True vitality begins with the ability to manage these mental states. It's not about eliminating thoughts, but about cultivating mindfulness. At MG-NutriVita, we focus on strategies that nourish your mental health. This includes conscious breathing techniques, simple meditation exercises that can be incorporated into your routine, and the importance of digital detox breaks to cleanse your mind from excessive stimuli. We also explore the power of gratitude and positive visualization to reprogram limiting thought patterns and build a mindset of abundance. A nourished mind is a free mind, free to learn, create, and experience life with greater depth and serenity. The second essential pillar is the body. Our body is the vehicle that allows us to experience the world. It is the temple of our vital energy. Without a well-cared-for body, the mind also suffers, and the ability to live fully is compromised. But nourishing the body goes beyond diet and exercise. It's about understanding your organism's unique needs. At MG-NutriVita, we emphasize the importance of balanced nutrition, focusing on whole, vibrant foods that provide the energy you need. This includes adequate hydration, restorative sleep, the true secret to recovery and cellular regeneration, and regular physical activity adapted to your pace and capacity. We're not talking about restrictive diets or exhaustive workouts. We're talking about conscious movement, finding joy in physical activity, and choosing foods that truly nourish rather than just fill. Learning to listen to your body's signals is crucial for sustaining long-term vitality. It's about building a relationship of respect and care with your own body. When your body is strong and nourished, it becomes a powerful ally in your journey to a full life. Our third pillar, full life, transcends individual health and connects with our surroundings and purpose. It's what gives meaning to everything. A full life is characterized by meaningful connections, a sense of purpose, and moments of joy and gratitude. How do we connect with the world? Through authentic relationships with friends, family, and community. Loneliness is one of the greatest challenges of modernity, and cultivating strong bonds is a vital nutrient for the soul. At MG-NutriVita, we encourage seeking activities that connect you with other people and with the world around you. Furthermore, living fully means finding your purpose. It doesn't have to be something grand. It can be something as simple as dedicating time to a passion, contributing to a cause you believe in, or finding meaning in your daily work. It's about what makes you feel alive, what ignites your inner flame, and what gives you a sense of contribution. And of course, the connection with nature. Spending time outdoors, breathing fresh air, feeling the sun, listening to the sounds of nature, all this recharges our energies and reminds us of our interconnectedness with the universe. A full life is a life lived with intentionality, with love, and with a deep appreciation for the beauty of the present. At MG-NutriVita, we understand that these three pillars, mind, body, and full life, are not separate entities. They are intrinsically interconnected, forming a holistic system. An imbalance in one affects the others. For example, mental stress can impact your digestion. Lack of sleep can affect your mood and your ability to connect with others. True vitality arises from the synergy between them. Our goal is to provide the tools, knowledge, and support necessary so you can nourish each of these pillars, creating a solid foundation for a life of true vitality. We don't offer quick fixes, but a sustainable path to lasting transformation. Through our resources, programs, and our community, MG-NutriVita is your partner on the journey to awaken the inner vitality that already resides within you. It's not about adding another task to your list, but about integrating practices that become a natural part of your being, significantly elevating your quality of life. Are you ready to begin or deepen your journey towards unprecedented vitality? We invite you to explore the universe of MG-NutriVita. Subscribe, follow us on social media to stay inspired and connected daily. Remember, your inner vitality is your greatest wealth. It's what drives your dreams, fuels your passions, and allows you to live each day with purpose and joy. Awaken your vitality with MG-NutriVita. Your journey to a full life begins now. Thank you for watching and for allowing us to be a part of your journey. Until next time.